going down, YouTube? Back with another video. 2 mystery boxes from my boy Jnavo. Always got that fire. The top hit was the Cocoa Bird. I can't remember the name. But let's get into it. We got 2 boxes. Hopefully we get a top hit. Let's see. Let's see. Hope everybody's having a great day. You know I am. Let's see, let's see. What we get, what we get. They weren't heavy, so I don't feel a hard stack. Oh, I'm cool with this. I see Tom and Jerry. We got Tom. I'm happy, I'm happy. I'll take it. We got one more. Let's see what this is. Oh, I'm happy with it. I'm a fan of glow-in-the-dark pops, so I'm definitely happy with the Black Panther glow-in-the-dark. Yes, sir. Alright. Let's get into the next one. 2 more chances to get the top hit, baby. Oh, once again, Jnavo. Firest boxes, fastest shipping, always. Let's see, let's see. I didn't see it. I peeked. I didn't see a top hit, but I don't know. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. I haven't actually seen this one. The Morticia Adams. I'll keep that too. 3 keepers so far. I'm happy. Let's see what this last one is. Another Black Panther T'Challa. That's actually pretty dope too. I don't have any Black Panther ones, so I would definitely hold on to these. Super dope. Let's check the values real fast. 25 guaranteed. I guarantee you they gonna hit that mark. First box, we got the Tom. $11. Whatnot app. PPG's $11. Let's check the Black Panther. $37, so we're at $48 on a $25 box. Right on, Jnavo. Let's go to box 2. We got the T'Challa. We're at 16. 16 on the T'Challa. This one's got to be something, because I haven't seen this one. So we're at 16. Alright, we gotta type it in. We gotta type it in. $13, 16 and 13, we're at 29. So, you know how we do. Jnavo did it again. Always coming through with the fire. These are actually 4 pops. I'm going to keep all of them. So, we got no bogeys. You know. We also got the next box coming in a couple of days, boys. So, be ready. Another video. Also, check out the video of the 1 ship challenge. It is fire. Once again, Ray keeps it popping. You know how we do. Signing off, baby. Boom.